Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on a host header attack in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is routing-based SSRF. So the lab is vulnerable to routing-based SSRF via the host header. We need to access intranet admin panel on an internal IP address, and it's within this range. Once we get there, we need to delete Carlos. Sweet. All right, let's check it out. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. I'd appreciate that. As we come up here, so routing-based, what was it? Routing-based SSRF. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I have extender. Where is extender? Extensions, collaborator everywhere, installed and ready to go. And what that's going to let me do is hopefully it's going to find exactly where the host header, vulnerability or the redirection or where it happens. So why do we not have this using patterns by? Okay, it is on. Sweet. So let's click around and go through all the actions before doesn't look like there's actually a lot of actions. We'll try to log in also. Why not? Wiener Peter. Okay, I guess that's pretty much it. Let's see what we got. Collaborator everywhere did not find anything. Let's see if it actually worked. Get I don't see where collaborator everywhere did anything at all. No, all of these should be filled with other stuff. Awesome. Not collaborator. I want extensions. Everywhere. All right. Sweet. Errors. Details. This is not what I wanted to have happen today. Okay, so I'm going to unload this and try it again. All right, extension loaded successfully. Boom. Looks great. Let's go back here. Refresh. Proxy. Oh, this is not what I wanted. Well, I guess I just have to do it manually, right? That stinks. All right. Send a repeater. Collaborator. Copy. All right. So we're going to start just pasting this. Let's go Kate. New file. All right. Oops. Copy. We're going to put that in the host. Except, where's the, like, refer? There isn't one. So let's try. Oh, forget. I'm in the freaking. What? Server. Well, that's weird. Cancel. Let me move this. Let me move this full screen. Routing based. That's really weird. So right off the bat, we got a request. So, I mean, how easy is this going to be? Can we just do 192.168. What was it? 0.0.1? Looks like it. Okay, let's send this to intruder. And intruder, we're going to clear add payloads. We'll do it as numbers. We'll go from 1 to 255. And we'll leave everything else the same. Or leave all that alone. That should work just how I expect. Ah, dang it. All right. We want 0, 0, and 1. Invalid number settings. What do I have wrong? From to, oh, dang it. So now with that, I don't need this, right? Yeah, okay. And I guess I could have flagged whatever. I did something wrong. Discard. Positions. Host. Why did that not work? Target is this. Update. Oh, okay. I know that. It's on purpose. Let's see. And the response. Gateway timeout. Sweet. /admin. Ha. 154. So let's go to, we don't need this anymore. Discard 3. What was it? 154? Real smart. 154 /admin. Oh no, maybe I need admin here. Delete user. Input box and delete user. There we go. Awesome. So, and then we'll just submit to send a post to /admin/delete SSRF, the username we want. And that should work. All right, now the fun part. Now we have to build a script to do the same. We don't have a exploit server available. So we're going to need to use Collaborator, Chrome, vcate, file, new. Or no, we don't, because we'll do the exact same. Just wait until we find a response that's not 504. As soon as we get the 302, or we can just try to go straight to /admin and then wait for 200. Okay. We don't need to log in. All we need to do is send a request to the home page. We need this lab cookie, though. All right. So get lab cookie. We're going to get the lab cookie. Then we're going to get /admin with host name with host as 192.168.0. Iterator. Check if we get 200 back. Once we do, send post to /admin/delete, I think. Yep. With SSRF and what's the name? Username. And username equals Carlos. Check if solved. So those are the steps we're going to do. All right. Let's go here. Copy link. And go Python utils create script like that. Whoops. I don't know what that extra character is for or would do. Let's run that. And then Vim. Gosh, nothing's going well. Actually, that's not true. Things could be going a lot worse. All right, we're going to get the lab cookie. So shop.get response for shop.base URL and resp equals, and I'm pretty sure that lab cookie equals shop resp dot request dot cookie dot get underscore lab. We're just gonna call it lab cookie, and then we'll do cookies equals lab underscore lab lab cookie, and then log.info cookies, just to make sure we got that far. Lab, sweet, that looks right. So let's use it to get admin. So we need to send a request. So let's def send request. It's gonna need shop at least, but the request will be I can just do a get response, right? What did I decide on sending? I think I decided I could just do it normally. So headers equals host and then IP address. We can do like target, shop target, and then shop.get response. We need shop target cookies, get response, shop.base URL, cookies equals cookies, headers equals headers. That will send along the new host target and the lab cookie. And then resp, return resp. All right, let's try just that much. We're gonna do send request with shop. I don't like how that one's first. Target will be 192.168.0.1 and cookies equals cookies. All right. That should proxy it. So we'll be able to see if that actually worked the way we expected. And what we expect is for it to have a different host header. Get host is that. Perfect. Gateway timed out. Exactly what we want, except for we want /admin, and we're going to do straight to admin delete. Which is host plus /admin/delete. All right. Since that worked, we're going to do, we're going to check resp equals if resp dot status code equals 200. We're going to print that IP, which we'll just return. Make sure all that worked, and then we'll start. We're just going to do a for loop. I know we've done threads in the past, but I'm too tired for that this morning. So I'm just going to do a simple for loop to go from, 1 to 254. Let's see, make sure that worked. Admin delete. Error gateway timed out. Perfect. Oh, no. We can't have that in the host. We got to have that in the dang down here. Plus admin/delete. It won't work in the host. Glad I caught that. All right. So with that done, let's start doing our loop. So we got our cookies. I'm going to do for x in range 1, 255. We're gonna do like this. X str. We'll turn it from an int to a string, and then we'll concatenate it into the target. If the response code is 200, we will, well, let's do like this. IP equals, and then we'll cut this out. Put it here. Put IP here, and then if we get a 200, do we want, we'll return, we'll log.info IP F found it IP. All right, so we'll log it and then we'll break. All right, let's make sure that works. Again, it's going to be kind of slow because we don't have threading. But I don't want to. Let's see how we're doing. We want this. So we're getting admin delete. Yep. That's looking great to me. Should we do threading? This is awfully slow. I'm okay with that, I think. I don't remember what it was, but hopefully we get something in the 80s. All right. I'm just going to pause it and come back as soon as we've got something other than 504. So I thought we reached it earlier. I'm a little worried. What was this one? That is Python. So let's go back. Oh, to intruder. Where's the... I thought it was like 84 or something. Let's see. That one wouldn't work. Python. Dang it. Did we not? So I'm going to stop this and make sure this is expected. Yeah, because this, something doesn't seem right. Okay, let's go back and run intruder again. Ignore. I thought it was like 84. And if so, that means our script is not right. Well, it's not 84, or I guess the lab could have timed out. Am I just... Oh, it's 154. Dang it. So, but it is still working. Okay, 154. And what was the response? Okay. Oh, we need to get /admin, not /admin delete. We're going to post to that, but we need the SSRF from /admin. Okay, sorry. It looks like it's working, so I'll just run it again. And this time I won't, I'm going to save this though. Results table. Actually, attack. Can't I? Whatever. 154. I'll just remember that this time. All right. Repeater. Proxy. Yeah. Whoops. All right. I'll pause it and come back. I'm going to add a log here so we know at least where we are. Log.info targeting target. So when we run this again, at least we know where we're going to do it. Now, when we found it, I guess we can start writing that code. And it's in IP. Right here is where we're going to do it. So the response that we got, proxy, when we ran, didn't we? Thought we did. What the heck? We can just pretend like I know what it is. I know I saw it, so we need to extract the SSRF. So SSRF equals resp, or no, shop.extract SSRF, and we'll extract it from the resp.text. And then we need to submit. So if shop.noProxy, if shop.noProxy, we're going to do requests.post. We're going to post to, we need to define the headers equals host. And this is going to be target, right? Target. Or no, IP. And we're going to post it to the /admin. So shop.base URL plus admin/delete cookies equals cookies, headers equals headers, and we need data. Data equals data. That data equals, boom, username, name will be Carlos, and SSRF. We'll do that, else do the same, but with a proxy. So proxies equals utils.proxies, and verify equals false. And then we'll save that. Rest. No. And then we'll do shop dot is solved. Okay, I think that's all we need. Let's see how this is coming along. Where are we at? 108. All right, so I'm just going to pause it, come back as soon as we have this, then we'll run it again to actually solve it. Okay, we're getting close. 53. Here it is. Hopefully we don't get 504. There we go. We got a 200. Yes. SSRF and username. Did I do that right? Where username Carlos SSRF. We found it. Sweet. Yeah, I'm saying our script is good to go. So I'm going to run it this time and solve it. Show 8. That looks like it's actually running. We should now have targeting. Yeah. I'm going to close this. We don't need this anymore. So now we just wait until this one gets to 154, and then we'll have this sucker solved. All right, well, I'll pause it and come back as soon as we get close to the end. All right, see you in a minute. All right, so we've got 15 more or so to go. Let me do a quick recap. What we saw in this lab was that if we change the host name, we saw that we got a server error gateway because we tried to just put in collab domain. Based on that, we started putting in the 192 or internal non-routable IPs, the 192.168.0.0 to 254. Here we go. Found it. Checking if solved. No! Damn it. What happened? Post. What the heck? SSRF 6G8 invalid CS does not. It does contain a SSRF. Oh, session. No, we needed the session. Okay. Well, at least that's an easy fix. So we're going to do here session equals shop dot request response. No. Resp dot cookies dot get session. And then here, when we define the cookies, we actually define it up there. Cookies equal cookies session equals session. Can't believe I missed that. Dang it. All right, let's run it again. All right, I'm going to do my recap now and then come back, or at least finish it. So what we saw when we were doing 192.168.0.0 or 0.1 is that it looked like it was actually trying to reach an internal server with that IP address. Based on that, we started scanning all the IPs from 00 to whatever. We found that at 0.154, the server actually responded, and then we used that to once we got that response, now we're building out the request that we need to solve the lab, and that was a post to admin delete, so that we could delete the user Carlos. And that's it. We just forgot the session token, which it needed to match with the CSRF. And once we go through it again, this time we should have it solved. And that's it. So I'll pause it and come back once it's solved. But if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Okay, so we are just about there. We're at 150, and hopefully we have everything ready to solve this sucker this time. $54. Come on. Found it. Do I not? I don't do any notes. Checking if solved. Yes. Perfect. Oh, we need actually this. Let's refresh this. Get our banner. Boom. Lab is solved. Very cool. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Goodbye.